Hey fam, welcome back, welcome back. Tonight you're rolling with the fam, and we're back in the kitchen with another good dinner. Something quick, something easy. If you are tired of the cookout food, you know we've been eating on it all weekend. So now it's a good time to switch it up and eat something different, something cool. Y'all know it's the summertime, so we don't want to have to be turning this oven on. So a good meal to make that we like to make for our family of six is some wraps. So we're gonna be making some chicken wraps, some orange chicken wraps. Sound good, right? And what we're gonna be making them with is these pre-made, um, you just gotta fry them up, orange chicken. And these are one of those meals you can eat these with some rice, some noodles, even with some steamed broccoli. But these are really good in some wraps too, and we made them before for Porter's birthday. But if this is your first time here to our channel, welcome, welcome. We are a family of six, and we cooking one meal at a time, and we inviting you guys for dinner tonight. So y'all come on in and make some good wraps. I'm quite sure your family loves them, you love them, everybody do. So on the stove right here, I already have some oil starting to warm up, and you are going to need a block of cream cheese. So just go ahead and let that sit. I just took this out the refrigerator, and in a second I'm going to just warm it up just a little bit, just enough to make it spreadable. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and start with the chicken first because we have to let that cool. We don't want hot wraps, we want cool wraps. So we're going to start with the one thing that's going to take the longest. Okay, now these do come with some sauce also. That's the orange chicken sauce. We was actually supposed to have these for 4th of July, but I'm glad that we didn't because now we get to make these for tonight's dinner. So my husband did most of the cooking, a lot of the cooking for 4th of July. He was on the grill making the ribs and the chicken. Mind you guys, on Saturday it was like 100 degrees. So this was a whole nother meal he was going to have to make. But by the time he got to about 6 or 7 o'clock, he was done. And we still had the wraps that wasn't made yet. So he was like, I'm not doing nothing else. I said, cool. And hindsight, I should have just did them at home that day. That way, because me and the girls stayed back in the cool. Didn't have to be out in the heat the whole time. So I should have made these at home, prepped them for him, and then we could have took them. But it's okay. So now we got a meal that we can eat tonight. Now this is the sauce pack. I'm going to go ahead and put these in some cold water or some hot water because I want these to go ahead and you got to unthaw it a little bit. And we have 3 bags of these chickens. I don't know what it is. I can never open up these bags correctly. But my husband stay getting on me about ripping the dang one bag. But I hope you guys had a good 4th of July. Y'all ate good. You spent some time with your family. You watched some fireworks. We showed you a little bit of the fireworks show that we was doing on Saturday. Through the rain and all, y'all. We out there. That was not going to stop the party. Okay? Alright. So that's sauce pack number 2. And then this is the 3rd one right here. Yes, we're going to go ahead and get these in some hot water so they can go ahead and get room temperature. You don't want to have to put these cold sauces on the hot chicken when it come out the grease. I already started preheating the oil up, so that shouldn't really take too much time. So just run this under some hot water. Yeah, y'all, these summertime meals gonna come in handy. Are y'all still eating on cookout food tonight? or you making something different for dinner? Okay, so I'm gonna bring y'all over so you can see what I'm doing. I turned this light off up here because I noticed when I turn it on, it's a glare. Y'all see that? So if it's annoying me, I know it's probably annoying you too. So I'm trying to just make sure y'all can see what I'm doing though. So we're gonna cut it on right here. And it's gonna be the hardest part, or the longest part, is to go ahead and fry these up. Yeah. Yes. I'm recording. I'm on live. Okay, so these are the pieces. Just breaking them up. And we got 3 bags because 1 bag, 2 bags is not gonna be enough. And don't worry if they all, like these little big pieces, is fine. So we're gonna cut them up a little bit anyway. So we're gonna have to do these in batches so we don't overcrowd the pan. Don't come over here.
Daddy needs his phone.
I can't do it right now, y'all. I'm recording right now.
He needs it for an emergency. He needs his phone.
All right, y'all. Quick intermission, real quick.